welcome back to my channel. Today, you don't know what we're doing? Well, it's China series, and today I'm doing the hotel room tour. I'm really excited to film this video because our hotel is amazing. You don't know how amazing it is until you watch this video. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you want to be part of the Crazy Fam, all you have to do is subscribe, turn on post notifications, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment Crazy Fam down below. And that is it. And also, if you do not know what the China series is, basically I'm just doing like a lot of vlogs about China, like flying to China, hotel room tour, and the next one you'll have to wait. I ain't telling you guys. But let's just go. Wait! I need to! Let's go. So guys, when you first walk in, you see this red luggage bench. That's really hard. Yep, told you. That's what you see on your left-hand side, and on your right-hand side, you see this door. It's a sliding door, and it's the bathroom. This is probably my favorite part because you're about to see why. So first, on your left-hand side, you'll see this robe, and then farther down, see this humongous bathtub. That's really big, actually, with a TV. And then some flowers, and this beautiful tile right there. And then this is my sister's side. Hi. And this is my side. And the funniest thing, I've never seen this, is actually they don't have a trash can, but they have the bin, and it's basically a trash can, and you can like slide it, and it's really cool. And so that's right here. And then I have this mirror. I love this. Voila. And it also lights up right here, as you can see. And so right next to that mirror is this door. So you're probably wondering, like, that's probably a shower, but it's not because the shower's right next to it. This is the bathroom, I mean the toilet. It's the coolest toilet I've ever seen. Like, it has a picture in the back, it's the toilet, and it has a phone, like, and I'm telling you, these people that made this are obsessed with doors and mirrors. I love this shower. It's huge. And so when you walk out of the bathroom, you see this mirror. I mean, like, it's a wonderful mirror because you always look good in it. And then there's this door. I don't know what's behind it, so I'm not going to tell you guys because I don't know. But on the other side, there's another sliding door, and it's the closet. Give me a montage. I told you they're obsessed with doors and mirrors. Right here you see that mirror? Told ya. Right here you see that door? Told ya. But they have these doors. Yeah, you don't want to see my underwear. And my sister's underwear. My shoes, and right there, my shoes. Clothes. Yep, we got enough of that in our luggage thingy, whatever. And also there's a little, whatever it's called. No. And then if you keep walking, there's my bed. There's my sister's bed. But first, you like see the TV, that's like the first thing you see. And it's really cool. And then you also see my laptop. But I love this chair, it's really comfy. This is literally the coolest desk ever. And the TV, and this lamp. And then there's this little, I guess, whatever you want to call it. And this doesn't open or close. I mean, it's always standing out like that, and that's annoying. So there's another door. Yeah. And mirror. Yep. Then here's just like this little, I don't know what you call it. So yeah, but this is my sister's side. There's this lamp, and there's a glass thing right here. And then there's this, I don't know what it's called. And then there's another glass thing right there, and then there's outside, so it's pretty cool. But then my sister's side, her bed, and then you have my side with the nice little phone right there. Hello, I'm filming a YouTube video. Goodbye. Told ya. A phone, I love phones. But now let's move on. Then right next to the phone is this little notepad covering up where we are. But then there's my iPad and my Beats, and it's 7:45 p.m. And here's my little lamp and another lamp that you can turn on if you want to. All on my little teddy. All the lights. Oh, and there's also pictures above our beds, just so you know. And then here's my bed. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's really just beautiful. The best part. I like the bathroom the best. And there's a trash can, just so you know. And also these drawers, I'll show you what's in them. First of all, a mini stapler. Second of all, a pencil without an eraser. Third of all, a ruler. Fourth of all, an eraser. Fifth of all, a paper clip. Sixth of all, a calculator. Second drawer. First of all, an envelope. Second of all, another envelope. Third of all, paper. And next drawer, there's a shopping bag. Oopsies, just saw our hotel. Who cares? And fourth drawer, my shoe. But yeah, that was pretty much our room tour. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was so much fun to film. I love this hotel, first of all. I love the China series. And I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications. See you next time. Bye.